genda natangiye ubu ngo niba ari ukubiba ndabibye ubyemera byemera ubihakana bihakane ariko amafaranga yanyu ndayafite tu akiri imifuka yanyara yanyu none bagiye gukora umurimo wa yanga ndabizi mwayatanze tayari your party time akaga filime nka toya abakobwa bose bakunda udufilime twa yanga cyane cyane abafite amabere wajyaho n'ibitambaro bamwe baza kugusura mu rugo ukamubwira uti zimya buja akagikura ngo kongera agapfurika Afrika cyane cyane binyamirambo kandi ahitwa za matimba sha agikura akagera gutyo kana ubwo yaje kugusura uti sheri ko wigiriye buje wayijimije agapfunyura ikibere kikavayo cyo gifite umuyaga shawo akongera agapfurika Afrika ubundi mwajya kubyina mukabyina muri hehe wenda mukabarika mukubita umwice k'inyamirambo haruguru hari abacuruza ingurube hafi y'umusigiti mukabyina ukajya gutyo ukabona ikibere kirasimbutse ngo byo kiyagahuruka kongera gasubizayo ni for ngone Golden Harvest nabateguriye neza cyane turatangira agafilme kiskonde rero mbere ko tugera ku izina abanza kubateguye ubwo kumenya ko nkomeye cyane jewe izi company z'abazungu nazo tinya gushyiramo yanga ukuntu a Golden Harvest presentation ayanga gusobanura nabo bakabishizemo Wilson Mills dutangira dute rero Ronaldo Ho akarimo cyane numwe mbateguye Raymond Chow company producer niko bimezera Samuhanga yoboye iyi filime director rero ni umuntu ufite umurimo ukomeye cyane Benirukidez Keith Vitali mwibuka mga filime kitwa Blood Brothers abakinnyi ni benshi Benirukidez mwibuka mga filime kitwa Enter the Eagles uyu yitwa nde UN Biao sinzi kigambo gasataho cyavuye nirwa pipi rwagiye rugahimba ibingo yitwa gasatsi ntazi no gusoma Jackie Chan agura bwakeye cha izavumba nibusubuye ukomeye mufata umwaka w'umugabo imyaka y'imigabo nimibishahura gafatwa n'umugore wapfa kuyikura ikigabo kumbe dore barara mu byumba bitandukanye kiragize ndutse kimukomanga kanguka ni hamwe nuko bashyizemo inzugi ebyiri ko bukiye busubuye ni igihe cyo kujya ku job banza gukora utuntu tw'udusiporo aho ngaho uru rusa naho rurunebwe cyane kurusha uri hayiwe fata aske cyabanje gukanga akagaka kakirusha gushabuka iki ni ikinebwemo cyane hayiwe tiza ninde utakora pompage bidashoboka nibiriya byo hejuru gusa bombi nabasore bato bakunda abasore bakura baba bakiri bato bakemera bakabana muri ghetto barabana tiza nyitozo my friend is nyitozo dore nyitozo bantu bakuru mwese mwakabe mukora ibintu nk'ibi ni benshi cyane nzi muri mwebwe bibyuka mu gitondo bikajya kutumeza two munzu bigatebura mwana ndimo ndarya tiza batera utumeza two munzu na Junior nukateye nyitozo nyitozo soboyo baranye imyitozo birira icyumba icyoya mu nzu yabo barangiza bakajya gufata ku mazi ni gihe cyo kujya ku job niba bakora iki bagomba kuba bafite office ni ibiro amata ni ngombwa
You ready?
uriteguye bakiraho haro komanzi
Get your cheating ass out of here right now!
Fighting with your wife again?
No, you see, I didn't come home last night.
That's way out of line.
Yes, you think I don't know?
wenu umugore wawe nanone yarambwira ko nagarutse nijoro ninze nanone wamuciye inyuma
Was upset. She threatened to kill herself if I didn't stay over. What could I do? I had to stay.
Well, that's pretty obvious. You shouldn't.
umugore wanjye buruko nyewe nakora gombaga gukora iki nagombaga kutindaho narindi nagombaga kugumayo
Yes, but we Italians can't live without amor. You don't understand love or passion.
mwebwe ntabwo mubizi twebwe abataliyani ntabwo tubaho udafite umugore urenze umwe mwebwe muri abashinwa ntacyo muzi
See, all you Chinese know is work.
icyo mwebwe abashinwa muzi ni ugukora gusa.
All you guys ever think about, right?
We're discriminating and we have more.
We niba urimo kuvangura revangura abataliyani mu bashinwa urimo uradutuka reka tugure ko umugore waguhitana umugore ko mbendaga kucita n'igituranye.
Right, time for work.
Please ufite amabwiriza yanjye nuko amabwiriza yawe nyemeye umva ayo mabwiriza ukacwaho.
Jolly good.
Byiza cyane niba ari amabwiriza yawe ari ukwemera amabwiriza y'abakiriya n'ibyo.
Take this. You can reach me at this number.
Uze kumbona kuri iyi nimero. Fata nimero. Afite amaze inyuguti ebyiri izina rya mbere ni wu irya kabiri ni ma. Abashinwa ni hatari. Kiriya cyavugaga cyo cyitwa Richard Ngi. Richard ni nkuko mubyumva ariko Ngi ni nanaga.
What do you think he's doing?
Yeah, I'm intelligent. I'm here because I'm emotionally unstable. Nothing to do with being stupid. There too.
Mwihangane yitwa Richard Ngi. Ngi ni nanaga. Uriya wundi nawe wavugaga nk'isa yitwa wunama. Ni umenyera ko abashinwa ari hatari.
I'm moving to the next beach.
Yakanja handi mwabasazi mwari mwebwe.
Let's just change the wheel, okay?
Reka tubwiye ingingo twindura amapine. Barakomeza.
Tick tock, tick tock.
Ivuriro ry'abarwayi. Basazi.
What do you think he's doing?
Bakeka arakora ibiki?
But I know. Why don't you ask him?
Njye ndi umusazi mubaze urana atakora iby'abasazi.
No way. But don't worry, I'll ask.
Reka mubaze.
Tock, tick tock.
Hey buddy, what are you doing?
Uri mu biki mzee?
M.A. clock keeping time.
Isaha ndabara buri segonda TikTok ndabara buri
And
segonda.
what time is it?
None se ubu ni saa ngapi?
Is now 2:30. Tick
Ni saa 8 n'igice 2:30.
tock.
That's wrong. It's 2:45.
Urabeshe ni saa 8:45.
Oh no, I slowed down.
No nabaza buhoro reka nihutishe segonda.
Tick tock, 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 tick tock.
Mzee yihutisha amasegonda ashaka kugira ngo acakire hanze. Abasazi buzi hano gusa. Kumbe papa wa Thomas nawe niwo yibera nawe ni umusazi.
Hey, what's your dad doing?
Papa wawe arimo arakora ibiki?
He's fishing.
Harimo kuroba, arimo araroba amafi arendo mu ishonze muri Nyabarongo. Kwe mzedo, dorafite agasani ni karimo kuraba amafi yewe.
Hi Dad, we've come to see you.
Papa tuje kukureba. Shh, muceceke.
Be quiet. Or you'll scare the fish away.
Muraza kukanga amafaburi. Mira.
Well, hi Uncle.
Uncle.
Any bites?
I spent my whole life waiting. Have you found a girlfriend for my son yet?
Wambone wabo umuhungu wanje wamone umukobwa bakundana.
There aren't that many Chinese girls in Spain.
Ariko hano mu Butaliyani nta bakobwa benshi b'abashinwa bahari.
She had to be Chinese.
Ntabwo nigeze nkubwira ko umukobwa uzamushakira agomba kuba umushinwa.
Love's more important than nationality.
Ntabwo jewe nkundebe iby'ubwene gihugu nshaka umwana wanje wakunda gusa ndashaka icyororo kivomokaho.
He's changed his too.
Boy yakugize imbata sha ngo akeneye icyororo gusa nta kindi.
Pig.
He sounds crazy to me.
You get
Ngiye ndabona akiri umusazi. Undi musazi yakora iki? Byarajagwe wajyo ni cyama maji. Yo mani. Ye, ikariso y'icyuma maji ntiyaririmbye ibyo bintu. Nawe ni igisazi ni nka kiri.
What's he doing?
Well, he's telling himself a joke.
Arimo ariganiriza akibwira inkuru nziza iryoshye maze agaseka.
a clean pig. You get it? You get it?
Arangije ararakara.
What's the matter with him now?
Abaye igise muze kwa isarakara.
He's heard the joke before. He's bored with it.
Umva iyo nkuru yayibwiye kare ageza wira murambira buri yararambiwe.
Must be he thinks he's Columbus.
Muzasa nawe arimo kugenda akira kumbe abavuzi abarwayi bo mu mutwe. Dore hariya hari umeze nk'Vietnam arimo arareka Vietnam hakurya kongera
Uncle,
gakira.
fishing still? If you
Muze uracyaroba.
catch any extra, remember
Watubwira ko twongera imiti cyangwa?
leave some for
I'm
me.
crazy.
Uri
Not
umusazi.
you, doctor.
Muganga nawe warwaye mu mutwe. Uri muranyita uri murambwira ngo ndimo ndaroba.
Do you really think I can catch fish from this pan?
Urabona ninde waroba ifa kayiroba mu isafuriya? Muganga baramutuka.
Your father's illness is getting better.
Musore muto papa warimo aragenda yoroherwa.
Tick tock, tick tock.
Dore yasa.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick
Dore
tock.
yasa.
Huh? The alarm.
Barayihagarika.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
It's time for my date.
Ni igihe cyanjye cyo kujya gutereta. Umva muzehe. Arimo aragijyana iki gihungu
I
cyumva.
don't mind if you guys come.
Buri iriya ni inzogera ivuze ngo rarararara nago ni igihe cyo kujya gutereta. Isaha ko mba yayiregeye. Isaha nayo ikomeza kuzenguruka mu rurwayi. Niko tujye kureba uwo papa watereta. Wasanga naho yararwaye igishorobwa. Muzehe menya ari ibifukunya byamufasha mu mutwe. Zazo watereta agomba kuba ari ibishorobwa.
Hi.
Bite. Yewe data we. Umukobwa. Yego umukobwa mwiza shafite agasura gahurutuye nk'akifarasa. Cyangwa ingamiya.
Wow, love is more important than race.
We uzi ko urukundo ruruta ubwoko bw'abantu. Love is more important than race. Bagize muzakunda n'igishinwa kumbi nayo yikundira umutaliyani.
No wonder he's getting better quickly.
How's your mother?
She's just getting ready. She said
mama wari ari amwe ngwaraje ari munzira naje
she'll be a bit late.
ari bukererwe cyane
Tell her not to hurry. I'm happy to wait for her right here.
mubwire yo kwihuta nejejwe no kumutegereza hano
No problem.
Koga rebye hakuno ibirira tetera bizi ngo niwe mugore wa papa kumbe papa ateye ateretanye nawe akagakobwa bravo
I know what you're thinking.
Zibyo tekereza mvuga kimwe ngo nikitanguranwe cyenda
And I know what you think I'm thinking.
nanjye ndimo ndatekereza ibyo utekinda ndabizi ibyo utekereza
But you're only guessing. Well, I don't have to.
gusa uri muratomboza ibyo ntekereza nago bizi
Because I know what you're thinking without guessing.
ndimo nzi ibyo utekereza natomboza
I'm thinking the same thing that you're thinking.
ndatekereza nanjye ibyo utekereza
I'm thinking what you're thinking, and you're thinking what I'm thinking.
none niba ntekereza ibyo utekereza uratekereza ibyo ntekereza
We should both stop thinking it then.
reka rero duhagarike kubitekerezaho byatekerezaga umugore wa muzehe byumiwe gusa byarashinyitse dore akadisi ryinyo amenya arasumbana wajyabone ya cya David Kenya mugugu kiba amadisede y'abantu
He is pretty.
ni
He's
mwiza
my father's girlfriend.
ni umugore wa papa ariko wimuvugaho kumbe ibintu bibyara kimwe cyitwa Thomas kindi David
Yeah.
sawa
Hey, Uncle. We're
Uncle.
going now. Papa.
aya muzehe uzi gushora umubindo kabisuri ya mubindi institute
A date.
mwabana mwe ndabinda se ari pamperese mwansanganye mwoko apfamwe Gloria kumbe Gloria niwe muzehe ateretanye na wa mukobwa byaranje birakanura mbireba nk'impyisi zamahuma zibonye inyama
I know what you're thinking.
sibyo utekereza
And I know what you're thinking.
nanjye nzi ibyo utekereza
In the same thing again.
turimo turatekereza ibintu bimwe ahubwo reka genda ushora umwatako biramanuka
Us later. Bye bye.
papa murabeho
I'm leaving. Okay.
aragiye dusezere muzehe
Yeah, that's right.
papa
Just a
urabe
minute.
bana banje mwe muretse kugenda
I
muzarabahaga
want you to meet someone.
muhure n'uyu muntu
This is Gloria.
yitwa Gloria
Gloria, my son David, and his cousin Thomas.
yitwa David yitwa ni mubyara we Thomas David
Hello.
kufite ibyinyo bisunika umunwa nk'uwa Nyabugugu
Hey, that's
Hey.
enough of that.
madamu wihorera ku mwana abana ndabazi w'iki gihe bagukazanurase kumbe gukazanura n'abasaza bakazanuraga abana b'abana babo abagore babo yagukazanura se
Now, tell her we're going wherever she is, and we'll give her a ride.
none ubwira umukobwa ko tujya wagiye hose
Tell her that
tumuhana arifu turumva
they're too expensive.
ko taxi zihenze
She likes taking taxis.
ariko umukobwa akunda kujya mu matagisi
Don't be so silly. You go
wiba igiswa ariko
her up, and I'll go get the van.
wagenda umuterete none umubwire ko turi bumuhe lift igihe kanye gushaka imodoka byose bifite
Hey,
ubwoba
I'm giving you a break. I'll go and get the van. Go
wumva reka nguhaye gaho umushinwa we
As far as I'm concerned, I don't want to know your secrets. Keep them to yourself.
we nta mbanga ryawe nshaka kumenya wasanga ari amabanga yatera n'umwaku barakizi ko cyakasiriwe kumbe kuri inshuro kifite inkuru nziza
Right.
sawa
Well, I'm gonna tell you.
reka
But
mbabwire
you gotta promise not to tell anyone.
mu bibye n'iki kirimo kandi iki ngiki nawe gishaka kiri ku ijobu uraho
Hi.
bite
Hello.
bite
Hi. I'll talk to you.
nshaka kuvugana nawe
Hey,
we
come with me.
we ngwino tugende kumbe kamenyere abantu bakirukankana buri munsi n'iki kirimo noneho
What are you doing?
urakora ibiki
What do you want?
ushaka iki
Just hear me out, all right?
nyumva
I'm not after you to get my wallet back.
ntabwo ari kofi yanjye nshaka wibye
I just want you to meet somebody.
ndashaka kugira ngo uhure n'umuntu
If you do that, it'll be to your advantage.
nubikora ni amahirwe ya uyu muremure yitwa Keith Vitali nakubwiye yagukinaga filime kitwa Blood Brothers padere turu padere parido gatatu uyu nawe wo hino mwibuka ku kintu n'umukobwa wa Jetiri witwa Shannon Lee mu gafilime kitwa Enter the Eagles barwanira mu kirere umukobwa
Kick me.
none sa kuki nkubise wabivumbuye
Yeah, it was a mistake, but I knew it was you because you didn't yell.
umva impamvu menye ko ari wowe nuko wera kutavugije induru ariko ubundi nagukubise kabisa ngo cyabimenye ko ari we ati se kuki wabimenye nukankubita mbimenye nuko wera kutavugije induru
Hey,
kibimenye
we'll
nyuma
split up. So don't you follow me, okay?
umva waruhambawe ntabwo nkurikira cira amaraso se utanera umwaka ntafumba urwaye
Yeah. Take it.
aya maraso ava mu kanwa ni mabi cyane ejo bundi nabonye yaracyama mama G kuva amaraso mu kanwa byagenze bite ngo rwaye ivumbi yari ikidemo cyayinteye
Guy.
mureke gusoma abantu kitwaga Wilson Mills yari Jackie Chan Samohanga Lala Fona Susanna Senisi Baby Santo amazina ni menshi sinongeye no kuvuga ndi mwakoze kuza bagiye udafite amafaranga benshi bo bicaranye ati ngiye kwihagarika ndaje kandi usheho burundu abenshi biragaragara ko ntako mumeze ko harimo n'abafite inkweto bararana bazanye hano nipaga se byo mu rugo byaje dore nk'icyo kigenda nk'icyariye cyane akunda cyane cyane ariko cyane uyice ko turacyakomeza yanga there today
Your word.
How far will you go to bring it back? Shepard created a war, but only we knew the truth. Nikolai, we've got to get Soap out of here. Yeah, I know a place.
What's the sit rep on New York? The Russian jamming rigs have neutralized our air support. As long as they maintain air dominance, it's a losing fight.
We cannot lose New York. Are there any special mission units in the area we can request?
JSOC's got a Delta Force team at Bennett Field. Call sign Metal.
Overlord, Metal 01 is up on Greenside.
This is Sandman. Understand we are OPCON to you. Over.
Glad to have you in our corner, Sandman. The Russians are using electronic countermeasures to jam our comms and guidance systems. The primary emission tower is on top of the stock exchange. I need your team to destroy it. The jammer's full spectrum, so until it's down, you'll have no radio contact. I have ground assets to get you close. Over.
Copy all. We'll get it done.
Switched on! We gotta move, now! Heads up! Bird incoming! Get off the street! Go right! Go right! Frost! Quit dragging ass! We gotta move!
So what's the game plan?
Same as before. Burn the jammer, kill the bad guys.
I like it.
Up the stairs, find me! Prince, truck, hold here till my signal. Frost, with me.
Rod.
Let's keep moving! Prince, truck, tighten up! Maintain the timeline. We need to hit the exchange. Multiple voices. Alley behind the door. Frost, toss a 9-bagger. This route should take us back to Wall Street. Jammer's not far. Watch the windows and doors. Double check the shadows.
Truck, you getting anything on your comms? Nothing but static. Jam has got us in the dark.
Hold up, quiet.
Shooters in the store below. Switch them off.
Roger that. Bridge, take up Overwatch while we clear the store.
I'm on it.
Contact! Take cover! Throw some frags! Midtown.
The Russians have it locked down. They're kicking our ass. We can't get through.
Any word on air support?
Still nothing. Guidance systems are scrambled. We need to get that jammer down.
Then let's move. They're dug in. Frost, get on the XM-25 and flush them out.
Midtown. The Russians have it locked down. They're kicking our ass. We can't get through.
Any word on air support?
Still nothing. Guidance systems are scrambled. We need to get that jammer down.
Then let's move. They're dug in. Frost, get on the XM-25 and flush them out.
Secure the lobby while you hit the trading floor.
Roger that. Metal, let's roll.